Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Back with another video, people. I super hyped up. Great weekend. Everybody, people, gotta continue to stay grinding and stay focused every single day basis. Alright, let's get this free money and let's take it and let's invest in yourself. Alright, we're gonna buy ads 100% for free in this video right here. Alright, let me jump straight into it. Alright, shout out to the online team. See people out there cashing out every single day. People keep hitting me up. Every single day, this is what we do, people. We just continue to grind. Tomorrow's not promised, so we go hard every single day and make sure we do what we got to do to take care of our family and get closer to our dreams. All right, people, this is what we do every single day. All right, there is no, what is it called? There is no fluff. There is no mistake about what's going on. All right, go watch my first 25, 30, 50 videos, people. Like, you will see the growth. You'll see everything. So take your time and just continue to go towards your goals, all right? Continue going towards your goals. All right, right here, look, just want to show you different, look, points history right here. Look, people, I show you different things that can be done. Look, points earned yesterday, $1.74. You can make $1.74 in a site every single day, people. All right, so it's up to you. Look, 1220 points right here. All right, let's go. Let me cash this out because I really want to show you about these ads, all right? I'm going to show you how I take this different income, all right? The only reason I get income here is because I help I help my referrals and my team earn income. How do I help? Because I teach them and I tell them where to go. Watch my tutorial videos. I give you different insights and different angles on where to go on each video, different videos. All right. You use what I'm telling you, you're gonna earn income every single day. All right, this site right here, PrizeRebel, you gotta have $5 to cash out minimum. All right, see, I'm a diamond member. First time watching this video, subscribe, show me some love. But like I said, this is what we do every single day. Look, it's only $12.20, people. Nothing crazy. All right, we're gonna come in here. We're gonna cash out $10. This is a $5 one, but usually when you scroll down, they give you different options. So got two different options right here. So let's take the $10 one. Let's claim this item right here. Quick $10 cash out. All right, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna buy ads with this too, people. All right, so like I said, look, nothing crazy. Look, it's been 7 days since I cashed out. Nothing crazy. Like I said, every day you earning $2, $3, $4 on this site. You got a different site, you do the same thing. Got a different site, you earn $2, $3 on. You're growing your income, people. Right? It's not astronomical dollars, but it's 100% free, and it's coming in every single day. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Get a rhythm. Watch my tutorials. Study what I'm trying to teach you how to do. All right, go on my offer nation right here. Like I said, my links are in the description. Sign up to my links to give you a bonus if they have promotional bonuses. All right, so like I said, there's different ways you can really get in and really help yourself on your spare time. If you're not doing anything, earn some free income. All right, I'm gonna refresh this right here. Like I said, I used to be earning way more when I was just going hard by myself, just going hard. All right, but like I said, I'm so super busy now. I'm working about 50, 60, 70-hour weeks, so it's a different, I can't do what I wanted to do on here as much as I want to. But anytime I got time or things is down, things is rough, or things get changed up, or things get different, I always have these different sites that I use. My different money makers that I use 100% for free, people. You got to understand this. 100% free. Everything you see here. All right, let's convert these points real quick. Let's go to convert points. I'm already on the convert point. Points converter. Let's see. 1937.36, 1937.36. Let's convert that. It's gonna be $33.89. We're gonna cash out this whole thing right now. What I love about Offer Nation is instant PayPal, people. The money comes into your account instantly. All right, this is why I love instant PayPal. This is why I use different sites. All right, PrizeRebel, I love this site. Is it instant? It's there. It's quick. It's under 10 minutes, 15 minutes. All right, you get your money, but it's not instant. This is instant. This could be literally in the car. You need gas. You're like, all right, hold on. Let me go to my Offer Nation, cash out $10 real quick. Cash out $20 for $20 of gas. Sitting at the gas station, let me cash this out real quick. Put it on my PayPal card, and then give the gas attendant my card. We swipe up. Free. You see what I'm saying? But you gotta understand, this is the hustle. This is the game. Like, You gotta understand the game. Like, if you not doing nothing on your spare time, right? If you don't feel like really, putting that hard physical labor in, get on your computer, man. Get on your phone. So get on your tablet. Start earning this income 100% free. I'm telling you, watch my tutorials. All right, $33.89. Let's cash this out. Let's go here. Let's go withdraw cash. And why do I always cash these out and do these videos? I need to show you that these sites are reliable. A lot of people are like, oh, this site only works for this, only works for that. I'm doing this every single day or every other day. I'm cashing out something. If I want to. Every single day, every other day, I'm cashing out something. So you can do this every single day. You see it. I'm doing it right in front of you, right? So instant PayPal. Why I always go to instant PayPal? It's so instant. I'm going to show you how instant it is too. All right, I'm going to withdraw this. At one click, it's already in my account. Literally already. Why? Because I'm going to go here and I'm going to sign in to my. As you can see in the account instantly, all right? Just logged back in. You can see the time right here, all right? Instantly, people, look. Instantly. All right, the $10 is in and the $33.21 is in. The reason why it's lower, PayPal takes a fee. I think it's a 2% fee or 1% fee, something like that. So $33.21 here, $10 here. PayPal balance. All right, so it's 100% free income in my account right now. As you can see, this was at $0. Right now, 100% free. All right, got my name on the top right here. See that? So you can do this, people. You can do this on an every single day basis. All right, let's go here. Go to my SuperPay right now. SuperPay.me. Like I said, use these sites that I use. They have hundreds of sites out there. Use the sites that actually work. Use the sites that actually work. All right, it's $10.98 here, $43.72 here. This is $53. Right, it's $54 and some change right here. All right, so what we're gonna do right now is I can instantly cash out up to $50. So I'm gonna put $49.99 in, and we're gonna cash that out. All right, so my cash is $43.72. All right, what I'm gonna do is this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave $10 in here. So I'm gonna cash out. I'm gonna just take this 98 cents right here and bring it over and bring this to $44 and some change. That's what I'm gonna do. Let's put 0098.99. So that should be the 98 cents and some change. There it goes. It's 98 cents and change. So $44.71. Why do I do this all the time, people? If you watch my videos, you see this. I do this over and over and over and over and over, month after month and day after day. Why? Reliability. Proven, proof, facts, results. I show you that this is trustworthy. You can trust the site. You don't have to worry, oh, I don't know about this site, but putting my information in here and doing this and doing that. I'm showing you every single day. I'm showing you every single day, people. Right? So it's up to you to stop, to kind of just stop wasting time. At some point, you're gonna be like, yo, I need some type of side income. I don't care if it's $2 a day every single day for the rest of my life. Let me get that. Now I could work on something else that can make me $3. I can work on something else that can make me $10. I can work on something else that can make me $40 a day, every single day, right? Like this is you have to start somewhere. All right, you have to start somewhere, and you start leveling up little by little, and your mind's gonna start figuring around. All right, I gotta level up. I gotta figure out different ways. I gotta figure out better ways, easier ways. You see what I'm saying? Now your mind's gonna start working. But if you just sit there 9 to 5 all day and don't do anything else, it's gonna get a little hectic out there. All right. $44.71. Let's catch this out. Withdraw cash. And like I said, people about to buy these ads. Scroll down here. Instant PayPal, all right? $44.71. All right. I'm going to dive right back in here to my account right here. I'm going to refresh this right here. Show you how instant this is. See how instant that is? I just literally didn't even do anything. Didn't even pause anything. Didn't do anything. Just came here, refreshed it, and it's in already. $43.82. See that? So like I said, people, it's free online income every single day, right? Yeah, I don't make this every single day, but like I said, you let it add up. $2, $3, $3, $4. Go on here and make $3 a day on one of my sites. Use a different site, make $2. Make a different site, make $8 a day, right? Let that build up. Cash out every 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, cash out. Once you start doing that, you're going to be like, oh, okay. You're going to start putting more work in. You're going to start doing these faster. These surveys and stuff like that. You're going to start doing things faster. Watching these ads, doing different offers. You're going to be faster. It's going to be easier. You're going to make more income. I'm trying to tell you, this is how I first started off, people, all right? So it's free online money maker, $87.03. All right, I started with $0 here. All right, 3 payments came in. So it's up to you on an every single day basis. $87.03 richer, 100% free. All right, about to go out Sunday, got to run some errands, do some things, put gas in the car. It's $87 is going to be depleted that fast. And yet you guys, you know that. You know how fast the money goes. I know how fast the money goes, right? About to buy some ads, about to put some gas in the car, buy a couple things to put in the house, and it's over. $87 is gone. Thin air. It's not a lot of money. That's what I'm trying to tell you. It's not a lot of money, but it helps. Now I don't have to take this out my 9-to-5 money, right? I don't have to go into no type of different account to get this money, all right? I could just, put it to my PayPal, go use it, do what I got to do, and I'm good, all right? So this is what I'm trying to tell you guys. Use my sites and my strategies. Use them wisely. Don't just spend this money on things that don't matter, things that are not going to last. Use this money on things that you have to spend it on. Necessities, essentials, right? Being safe out there. Anything that has to do with things like that, of that nature. Paying your bills, getting your credit fixed. All right, let's dive into these. All right, so $87.03. Let's jump into. All right, first thing I got to do is let me just transfer some money to my card. So, because my card is hooked up to my Promoter. All right, so this is Promoter. This is one of them. A lot of different sites that I use to get to run ads, run videos, and stuff like that. So, like I said, you could do a lot of different things with these sites and with these with these sites that I use and with these different. This is a campaign. This is my YouTube campaigns. All right, now, like I said, I use probably like so many different sites that you could use to promote your videos. All right, so all I do is right here. I go to. Let me see what video I want to do here. One thing is, let me just pause this so I can transfer money into my PayPal card right here. See my MasterCard? I'm gonna transfer. This is hooked up to my MasterCard. All right, just transfer some money in there. Let's do this here. Let's go to promote video. I'm gonna do the ultimate. I'm gonna do my ultimate video. So right here, you'll search for your YouTube video. Once you sign in, you put your information in. It'll be easier for all your videos to come up. Let's see what comes up here. Now, one thing you always have to make sure you put your video, right? Always make sure you put your video. Here goes my video right here. I don't know if I want to do this one. I have another one right here. Let's go with this one. Now, see how other people's videos come up too? So you got to make sure you do your video, all right? All right, so let's do free online money maker here. Now, I know this is my video right here. Just like in comments, all age you would put. I'll put this age limit right here, and I'll just here I just put United States. Now you could also put advanced targeting, so like video group and stuff like that. Like it depends what you have, what your offer is. All right, me, I don't really have to do that, so I'll just keep it there. Go to next. Now you gotta put your budget in, how much you want to put in. All right, I'm just gonna put $10. All right, $10, 7 days duration. All right, and then you'll go to start campaign. All right. Now the reason why I wouldn't do that is because since I already have campaigns going, or I already had campaigns that started already, or already set up, so I'll just go here. And once I like this, once you do a campaign and it's set up here, all you gotta do is go here, go to restart. Go to restart, all you gotta do is click it once and it'll go right through. Alright, so success, your payment processed. Alright, so Free online moneymaker, buying